In this video, I will show you how to change the font size on Google Chrome. Now, there's actually two ways you can do this. So what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. And the first way is if you actually come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots up here, you're going to see an option for zoom. So what you can do is use the plus and minus buttons to increase the size of the website and of course increase or decrease the font size. For a more permanent solution, what you want to do from this menu is come and click onto settings, and once you're in your settings, if you come over to the menu on the left and click onto appearance, in the appearance settings, once you scroll down a bit, you're going to see an option for your font size. Now by default it's going to be set to medium, which is the recommended font size, but you can of course click onto this drop down box and either increase or decrease the font. So for example, if I wanted to increase the font size, I would select large or very large, and what you can then do is open up a new tab, and when you refresh the page, you're going to notice the font size is going to be larger. So that is how to change font size on Google Chrome. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.